So guys, I'm going to explain you all question number 6, right? Now we are going to solve the question number 6. Till now we solved now 5 question before this question. So you can go also just check it, that also, like programming question I solved. So from basic, so and step by step I explained all the parts. So if you watch that video, it's always help you all, right? And don't watch simply, man. Just write the code on your desktop, whether Visual Code Studio Code, whatever code, wherever you want to na, just write the code that, and check it whether like are you able to understand or not. First listen the explanation which I did there, and after that, if you understood, then by yourself just write that code. Okay, try to remember everything, right? What logic I used, what are the thing I told in that in this video. After that, try by yourself, don't simply just watch it. Okay, if you watch it simply, it's never going to help you all, right? So yeah, any of the content if you watch now from any from the platform, any of the YouTuber if you watch who are making a video on and JavaScript or any else like using coding language, right? If you watch simply any of the code and watching the video, it will never help you all. First listen it, after that do it by yourself, right? Writing, it is a compulsory, right? Write code by yourself in the paper, whether you just write the code on the desktop if you have, right? But do practice by yourself, then you can understand what actually is happening after listening. If you are able to understand, if you're listening just simply and you're thinking like that, now you know the code, 100% you're not, right? So do you by yourself daily, do the practice. Okay, so that's the thing which I wanted to tell you. After that, I'm going to explain you question number 6, uh, like what we solved in there. So question number 6 I'm going to solve you all. Please attention in the class. Okay, so the question number 6 is like calculate. We are calculating the sum of all the number from 1 to n. Okay, so the step 1, what I have done in this question number 6, and step 1 which I'm going to tell you, it is first in this step we define the value of n. N is the number up to which we wanted to calculate the sum. You can replace 5 with any other positive integer for you which want to find the sum. Okay, now come to the step 2. Use the sum formula to calculate the sum, right? We use the sum formula to calculate the sum. So what we are doing in this step 2, to calculate the sum of all number from 1 to n, we use the sum formula. You all know this is the formula. Okay, we use the sum formula which is n क्या multiplication bracket n plus 1 bracket by this is divide by 2. Okay, this formula is based on the arithmetic series and is a quick way to find the sum. Okay, make it easy, don't make it difficult for you all. Now I'm going to explain what actually is happening in this code also to calculate. Now here's how it works. Now I'm going to explain you. Multiply n by n plus 1 first. After that, what happened? Divide the result by 2. Okay, what happening in there? N multiplying with the n plus 1. After that, divide hoga by 2. It will divide by 2. Okay, in the step 3, what we are doing? We will display the sum of number from 1 to n. Okay, so in the step we use console.log to display the result, which is the sum of all the numbers from 1 to n. For example, it is if n is 5, the output will be the sum of number from 1 to 5 is the sum of number 1 to 5 is 15, right? Yeah, that is simple, man. Now you got the answer. Okay, so I just explained you what is happening in this code, and now you have to do practice by your own. so you will understand all the code. So let's meet in the question number 7. Please like the video, share the video if you like it, and if you wanted to give me any suggestion, comment it, right? Thank you very much, guys.